Hello folks, I'm back again here. I got a review for you. This time it's from ThermoPro. It's indoor humidity and temperature monitor, and I had a couple of these. Well, I still got quite a few of them. I'll order some more. And what you get here in the box is a battery, you can get it out, a manual, and warranty thing you sign up for, and there's a manual here. And you get this. I don't have the battery in it right now, and it has a magnet on it where you can stick it. It also has a kickstand. If I can pull it open, there you go, where it can just sit there. And battery goes in here, close it up. Battery lasts quite a while. I forget how long. I had one at work before. I used to be a janitor at a power plant and cleaned the locker room, and all they had was fans. They had no AC in the locker room, and it was always hot. The only time the fan blew, it felt like blew cold air, is when you start perspiring. And I really love these things here. I have two in each of our vehicles. Well, one in each of our vehicle. I got one in the house, and they're really awesome. And I had these. I'm gonna explain to you in a little bit here. We're gonna go out to the vehicle. I'll show you what I did to it. One day at work, well, quite a few days, where we park at work, we're parking full sun, and I came out to my vehicle one day, and well, every day at work, and it read 115 degrees inside my vehicle. So, because usually you get in, you know it's hot, you don't know how hot it is. But with one of these, you can actually know how hot it is in your vehicle. If you want to cool it off before you get in, it's fine, you know. But anyway, 115 degrees, it's pretty hot, Fahrenheit. And I also got this super glue foam mounting tape that I use to connect it. And let me get you up here. This is the website here. It's Amazon. The link will be for both of them in the description box if you're interested. Yeah, just two of them for $15.29, reduced price. Okay, this is in my girlfriend pickup here, and I did use a command strip, okay, and it got so hot that command strip just fell. It just didn't hold. So I'm using the super glue strips, and what I did, since most vehicles nowadays are plastic, if you don't have metal, I took a washer and I put two of those stick tabs behind the washer. And since this has a magnet, just stick it right on. That way you can just take it off, change the battery, and stick it back on again. It's 87.6 degrees in here, 49% humidity, as you can see. Okay, mine in my SUV is right here. It's on the dash there. And like I said, there's plastic everywhere here. I had it up here with the command strip and it didn't hold. This time I'll put it down here, it's easier to see. So when I get in the vehicle, it's 88.5. The sun, this vehicle is more in the sun than the pickup. 42% humidity there. And same thing here. Got a washer there, magnet, clip it on. And we used them. They never fell off yet. So you just get a washer, use two of those super glue strips, and you're good to go. So like I said, you can order them off of Amazon here. I have a link down in the description box. And command strip didn't work, so I figured we have these super glue foam mounting tapes. You put 2 rectangles on the one washer and stick it to your vehicle. Works perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep coming back. I'll have more stuff for you. Until next time. Later.